In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quote another message in Slack. Quoting is a simple way to keep conversations clear and context-rich, especially in busy channels where messages move fast. By pulling a specific line into your reply, you help everyone see exactly what you're responding to, reducing back and forth and making decisions easier. Start by finding the message you want to reference. Hover over or highlight the exact text you need, whether it's the full message or just the key part. Copy it like you normally would. Keeping quotes concise often works best, but feel free to include the full message if that helps your teammates follow along. It's also a good idea to double-check that you're not copying anything sensitive or out of context. Next, move to the message field where you're composing your reply. Look for the formatting toolbar, the one that includes options like bold and italics. Click the block quote icon to turn on quote formatting. If you prefer shortcuts, press Ctrl+, Shift+9 on Windows, or Command+Shift+9 on a Mac. Turning on the block quote format before you paste ensures Slack sets everything up correctly for you. Now paste the text you copied into the message field. You'll see it display as a quote, typically with a vertical line on the left and slightly indented text. That visual treatment is what makes quotes stand out from the rest of your message and signals to others that you're referencing something previously said. If the text doesn't appear as a quote, simply make sure the block quote format is active, then paste again. Once the quote is in place, add your reply either above or below it. Many people like to add a blank line between the quote and their response to keep things readable. Keep your response specific to the quoted text so it's immediately clear what you're addressing. If you're quoting part of a longer conversation, you can mention who originally wrote it or add a brief note for context. That's all there is to it. Copy the message you want, turn on the block quote format in Slack, paste the text, and then write your reply. This small habit makes your communication sharper and your channels easier to follow. If you make a mistake, you can always edit your message and adjust the quote formatting. Thanks for watching, and happy quoting in Slack.